Industrial Data Information System. Connecting mathematical models to the real world. Hypothalamus Artificial Intelligence. Presence. Industrial Data Information System. Connecting mathematical models to the real world. This is taken advantage of by OPTEX to automatically generate the data model of the IDIS, and the user visual interface, based on a system of holograms for the data capture screens. The first point to consider is that the indices of mathematical models define the entities of the data model. Additionally, the relationships, sets and indexes, parameters and indexes, variables and indexes, and restrictions and indexes define the relationships between IDIS entities. Based on these laws, OPTEX can automatically generate the IDIS data model, considering the sets and the parameters to be read. OPTEX manages a metadata model that, automatically, generates a user interface that includes an Explorer menu to navigate the tables of the IDIS that can be resident on various types of database servers. Second, all the shell windows that contain the master and the relations tables for each entity. These components, browser menus and windows, are not associated with any program. They are generated by OPTEX, online, when the user requires them. To store all the results of the runs of the models, OPTEX automatically generates the structure of an extended information system, based on the scenario and scenario families concepts. All result tables are stored in normalized relational tables. The fundamental elements of the OPTEX architecture are a relational information system, which integrates two specialized information systems. Mathematical Modeling Information System, MMIS, stores the entire mathematical modeling environment, and Industrial Data Information System, IDIS, stores customer data. The next element is OPTEX, the generative artificial intelligence in charge of interpreting the existing information in the MES, and from there generating all the computer elements that are required for the user to interact with the DSS. Based on Open Database Connectivity, ODBC, OPTEX generates the following elements: visual interface for the user to access the IDIS to maintain and consult it. Interface for mathematical models to connect with the IDIS, generated following the syntax of each optimization technology. This interface is part of the computer programs of the algorithms. Below are several examples of this type of component, based on SQL statements. Regardless of the programming languages, the models connect directly to the IDIS database, by means of SQL statements. The screenshot presents SQL connectivity in an IBM OPL program. The screen presents SQL connectivity in a GAMS program. Because the IDIS data model is open, the end user can connect it to any other application developed by a third party, this for any input-output data. OPTEX provides the necessary services for the system of models to be easily deployed on a cloud server. There are now in the world machines that think, that learn, and that create. Moreover, their ability to do these things is going to increase rapidly until, in the visible future, the range of problems they can handle will be coextensive with the range to which the human mind has been applied. In the book Human Problem Solving, wrote by Alan Newell and Herbert Simon. Thank you very much for your attention.